The first thing that I need to do before I start decluttering is make sure I have all of my tools ready, because it's important to be in the game, to have your head in business mode so that you're not easily distracted. So the phone is shut off. I even sent out a quick text message to my kids telling them to just leave mom alone for the next hour and a half so that I can really keep my focus where it needs to be. And then I have my supplies gathered up, and I like to have a decluttering kit ready to go at all times that has my top go-to tools for whenever I'm cleaning out and organizing an area. And I'll post a link down below so that you can read that post and set up a decluttering kit yourself. Okay, so my decluttering kit is just a clothes basket full of supplies. This basket is from Walmart. It was like $3.85. I must own probably 20 of them. Seriously, you guys. I have these all over my home. They're great for room resets. They're great to hold blankets and pillows and toys, all kinds of things. It's very flexible. It's small and it's easy to carry with one hand. See, even full, one hand. So I have it labeled. That way my family doesn't use it for another project. They tend to dump things out to get to the containers that they want. So if it's labeled, they know it's off limits. This basket is already spoken for and it already has a purpose in my home and life. So inside of my decluttering basket, I have cleaners, I have a couple rags, I have my sorting labels for when I'm really decluttering an area, trash bags, small Ziploc bags for containing smaller items, a few small organizing containers I'm not using at the moment, a black magic marker, my label maker is there. And something new I just added to my decluttering kit is hand lotion. And the reason being is that your hands get really dry for some reason when you're doing a decluttering and organizing project. I think it's just because you're touching a lot of things that are dry and it really dries up your hands and they can crack really easy. So by keeping just a random bottle of hand lotion in my decluttering bin, it reminds me to lotion up before I start and throughout the decluttering project. Because again, distractions tend to stop me and keep me from finishing a project. So the more things that I can keep in my decluttering kit, the better.